Car prices have been a nightmare for consumers over the past few years. But hold on, 2025 might just be the year we've all been waiting for. After years of skyrocketing prices, there's a surprising shift happening in the car market. According to the latest data, car price inflation is finally under control. But does this mean that cars are finally affordable again? Let's dive into the numbers and see what's really going on with car prices in 2025. 1. Car price inflation slows. What does it mean for consumers? For the last several years, car prices have been climbing at an alarming rate. From fourth quadrant of 2019 to fourth quadrant of 2024, car prices shot up by 23%. While this still seems steep, recent data suggests that the rate of price increase is slowing down significantly in 2025. Several car brands are now increasing their MSRPs, manufacturers' suggested retail prices, at a much slower pace compared to previous years. This is a welcome change, especially after the insane price hikes we've seen in the last couple of years. Brands like Subaru, Nissan, and Mazda have managed to increase their prices by less than the inflation rate, offering a glimmer of hope to consumers who have been hit hard by rising car costs. While prices remain high, it's encouraging to see that some companies are actively working to keep their vehicles affordable for the average buyer. 2. The surprising drop in price increases for Hyundai and Stellantis. One of the most surprising developments in 2025 comes from Hyundai and Stellantis, which own brands like Jeep, Chrysler, and Dodge. Hyundai has seen a remarkable reduction in their price hikes, dropping from 48% last year to just 36% this year. This is a huge improvement and indicates that Hyundai is working hard to keep their cars affordable amidst the challenging economic landscape. Stellantis, on the other hand, has also seen price inflation drop from more than 50% last year to just 31% in 2025. This drop reflects their larger strategy to make cars more affordable, especially with their mass-market brands. This price stabilization is a welcome change, signaling that Stellantis is adjusting to market pressures and working to ensure their cars remain accessible to a broader range of consumers. 3. Some cars are finally getting more affordable, a welcome change. In an unexpected turn of events, some car models have actually seen their prices decrease in 2025. For instance, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer's base price has decreased by a staggering $21,000. Other vehicles like the Grand Cherokee have seen price reductions of up to $3,000, while the Chrysler Voyager is helping bring down the average transaction prices for many Stellantis models. These price reductions are a welcome surprise, especially for consumers who have been frustrated by the continued rise in vehicle prices over the years. However, even with these reductions, the prices of many vehicles are still too steep for the average buyer. While it's a step in the right direction, the price points for many models still remain unattainable for the majority of buyers. 4. Why some brands are still raising prices. While some brands have managed to stabilize or reduce prices, others are still raising theirs. Toyota, for instance, has seen a 31% increase in their prices, while Honda's prices have jumped by 35%. While these increases are less than last year's, they're still higher than the overall inflation rate. This means that consumers are still being pushed to the brink when it comes to purchasing a new car. These price hikes are not just about inflation, they reflect manufacturers' strategies to protect their profit margins. While some manufacturers are trying to keep their prices within reach for consumers, others are raising them in an attempt to remain competitive in an increasingly tough market. The reality is that not all manufacturers are on the same page when it comes to price stability. 5. Subaru takes the lead in offering affordable options. Among the many car brands in 2025, Subaru stands out as the most affordable option. Over the past 5 years, Subaru's prices have increased by just 14%, far below the national inflation rate of 23%. This commitment to keeping prices low while maintaining quality is a testament to Subaru's focus on offering affordable, well-equipped vehicles for consumers. Subaru's focus on safety, reliability, and value has made it a go-to brand for buyers who want a dependable vehicle without paying an arm and a leg. Their ability to maintain low prices despite the inflationary pressures faced by the industry is impressive. Subaru's model is one that other manufacturers could learn from, as it shows that it's possible to offer high-quality cars without drastically increasing prices. 6. The luxury car market. A whole different story. While many car brands are focusing on making their vehicles more affordable, the luxury car market tells a different story. Mercedes-Benz, for instance, has seen the largest price increase at 35%, which is significantly higher than most other manufacturers. Other luxury brands like Land Rover and Acura have also seen price hikes of around 33%. These price increases make it more difficult for consumers to justify paying such high prices for luxury vehicles, especially when their prices continue to rise. Interestingly, some luxury brands are trying to keep their prices under control. For example, Lincoln has seen only a 13% increase, much lower than the inflation rate, and Volvo has kept its price hike to 20%. These brands are proving that even in the luxury market, there's room for manufacturers to work within consumers' price ranges. 7. Will 2025 finally bring us affordable cars? So, are car prices finally coming down in 2025? While the latest data shows that price increases are slowing, it's important to note that new cars are still averaging nearly $50,000, and used cars are priced around $28,000 to $29,000. While prices are stabilizing, they're still far too high for many buyers. Brands like Subaru and Stellantis are leading the way in offering affordable cars, and their efforts to stabilize prices are certainly encouraging. However, the reality is that many consumers are still being priced out of the market. The high price points of many models, coupled with continued inflation in the luxury car segment, mean that affordable cars are still out of reach for a large portion of the population. The shift in pricing strategies is a positive sign, but it's going to take more than just a few price cuts to truly make cars affordable for everyone. Are we there yet? While 2025 may signal the beginning of a shift toward more affordable car prices, the road to true affordability is still long. Brands like Subaru, Stellantis, and Hyundai are leading the charge in making cars more accessible. But overall, the market is still challenging for many buyers. The drop in price increases and even reductions on certain models is a positive development, but we're still a long way from a truly affordable car market. So, what's next? Are we finally seeing car prices come down, or is this just a temporary trend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the automotive market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.